Yes, bro. What's up? How's the travel journey going on?
Is going very, very, very fabulous, bro.
Okay.
Like,
So, how was your day in Andhra and moreover in Vizag? How people are?
uh, I must say that Vizag has become one of the most enchanting place for me in entire East Coast.
Okay.
I went to many of the major cities in East Coast and in South India. Uh, but when it comes to Vizag, I found a kind of vibrancy or a kind of different attitude in the people. I cannot say attitude, different being.
Uh,
I met some of distinguished people over there like Dr. Usha Raju, Mr. Subhash Chandram. Then there is a Guinness record holder, one person. His name is, I think, uh, what is your name?
Come on, man.
Hey, the same one, bro. The same one.
Okay.
Rudraksh, no. Sometimes my short memory start. What's the name?
Sridhar.
Sridhar. Then even Vaishali ma'am. Then Adnam is a person who connected me with many people. And especially as far as the nature is concerned, na, those top hills and the seashore. Oh my God. What the.
So, Vizag had the beauty.
Yeah, right.
It has the sea, it has hills, see, it has level roads, it has
Okay.
ups and downs. For what type of adventure people comes there, they will enjoy.
Yeah. I enjoyed a lot.
And moreover, I think we are all got to know each other for the sake of Adnan only.
Yeah.
So I know when you started cycling 6 months back only.
Really? By
Yeah.
6 months only.
Because I have cycling friends all over India.
Great.
So some of other groups they posted it.
Okay.
When you reach Vijayawada, Amravati Cycling Club got posted.
Right. Amravati
And,
Cycling Group, Mr. Ramu sir,
Ramu sir
GK
and-
sir, they
yeah.
assisted me there.
So after then, when you reach the Kakinada, Godavari Cycling Club.
Right. Stanley
So
and
after-
Dr. Chakravarti.
I never thought you will stay this much days in Visakhapatnam. So by the grace of God and Adnan Bike, we all got this thing.
Right. And some people keep asking me, Vishal, don't you plan your journey and all? So I say, no, I don't want to plan my journey
Yeah.
because as I am planless, na, that's why I'm able to meet you.
Exactly. So I have a group of friends in Bangalore.
Okay.
So they never plan their journey.
Great.
So they are bikers actually.
Wow.
So early in the morning, who wakes first? Okay.
Okay.
They'll check, open the India map, close your eyes, touch. वो कहाँ पे है? They have to go.
Okay.
So next day morning, who wakes first? It's his turn.
Oh, wow.
So if 4 friends are going, 4 trips.
Great.
So in such a way they will plan.
I
They are
wish like-
crazy bikers here.
Great.
Crazy bikers.
I wish we could even do sometime in our life. We
Yeah.
could meet again. And
Sure.
as I don't know who people are gonna watch this video, but I would like to tell them ki we are really going to meet in Northeast. We are having 90% chances
Chances.
that to meet will take nearby 3 to 4 months to reach Northeast. I am planning after winter,
Yeah.
and
So actually we are planning for an hitchhiking trip to Northeast in
Right.
December. So maybe as you said, maybe around February or January, and we'll be meeting at some other place in
right.
North India.
Yeah, when it's like doctor meets another doctor in the hospital, one engineer meets another engineer in the company, and traveler meets another traveler on the road.
That's give more fun, no?
Yeah, it's actually the fun. Like we are traveling, we are seeing our friend is having pakoda on the shop. Hey, why you are eating
Yeah,
alone?
today what happened when we are traveling on the road, we found a course bicycle. You are there on the bike, no?
Yeah.
When I
while
was
coming.
running, his
Yeah,
name is
Krishna.
Satish Krishna.
Yeah.
He's traveling from Karnataka,
Karnataka,
to
right.
save plants.
Right.
Right?
To,
Really, such a humble person.
for
He's
tree
doing, yeah,
tree
tree
plantation.
plantation. So when I go back to Vizag, I'll definitely host Krishna Garu,
Certainly.
and I'll introduce him to the traveling groups and what
Yeah,
best we can do.
certainly.
Right?
And even like this guy is having very good connectivity over here. Basically, he is a trekker and he does camping. He and not camping now. Not only camping, his clients are like so huge and all people. Most of the Navy people are his client. Then out of his connection only, he is having a kind of association. So out of that association only in Anandgiri, I got a stay at Maddaguda Adventure.
Mardaguda Adventure Park.
Mardaguda Adventure Park. Mr. Justin is the owner of that park. So he assisted me very well. Then today we are at
Nature's Nest.
Nature Nest Resort, and here he is having another friend. His name is Niaz, right?
Niyaz.
Yeah. So out of their enough compassion or enough concern to the traveler, we have such good camping over here. And thank you so much, bro, because he is a person who is connecting me to these all such hearty people.
See that we Visakhapatnam Adventures WASWA is our association. So we are into various groups. We have
Okay.
people, hoteliers from Vizag, Araku, and more other places.
Okay.
As Adventure Park, have you seen in Maddaguda?
Right,
It's a
right.
beautiful adventure
Yeah,
park.
the
Nowhere in
rarest activities.
Nowhere in India we have such type of activities. And moreover, Sagar Garu, you might know, he's the senior most person.
Yeah.
He
That's
is
right.
always there with us, who guides us. And in such a way, we have Crescent Adventures Rahman.
Okay.
So when I posted, sir, we need, the first person responded was Justin. And the
Oh.
second person responded was our secretary Rahman Gar.
Rahman
And
sir,
yeah,
okay.
Rahman sir. With his reference only, we got stay today here.
Oh wow.
So he went initially, we are wherever you want to go, stay there. Mera naam batao.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
So in such a way, we got good contacts, and we association has got very good members,
Right.
and vice presidents has
Right.
been there. So they, in such a way, initially we don't have this type of thing,
Okay.
but Rahman Gar has given us a platform to form this association.
Really,
Yeah, and we have done all this.
it's really my pleasure to be connected with such hearty people along. And most of the people are keep on asking me, Vishal, you are traveling, what do you get out
Vishal,
of
give me
traveling
that
and all? Yeah, this one?
Yeah. Yeah.
They keep on questioning what do you get and what do you like. They are having a calculative thought. So I believe traveling is not the thing we are doing for getting.
Yes.
And whenever we are doing something just to get something, then probably it's not our love to do the thing. For example, I am loving a girl and I am saying, like, someone asked me, what do you get out of why you are loving? So traveling is also like our authentic love.
Exactly.
And we don't want anything. And even if someone gives, I'll give 1 crore, 1 lakh rupees, you just stop traveling, I'll say, get lost.
Get lost. See, that is the reason. When you came, I could have given you the address. You go there.
Right.
But it's my concern when you're traveling all the way. At least it's my responsibility to have, give whether they're giving you good accommodation or good food. That is the reason. I thought of going today also,
Oh,
but somehow my mind is not accepting. How can you leave this guy and go?
okay.
So that is the reason I stayed today.
Yeah.
And tomorrow we'll see what happens tomorrow.
Yeah. As
And
long.
it was a lovely comparison when we are traveling.
Right.
Like you've been reaching there, and was after a long time I was cycling all the Eastern Ghats. It was really fun, and couldn't take my breath out. Like I was cycling in this after a long time. That
Yeah,
really happened.
I must say you, this guy stole my all the happiness. He handled me, his bike to me, he took my vehicle and he started traveling. Not only that, some people saw the poster 28 state on bicycle and they saw him, they came to him, they started clicking selfies with him. And
That
he was so happy, oh my god, what's happening?
I'm really happy, yeah. I haven't done anything. That fellows, he stopped me. Oh, he saw the video. Yo, you get, come on. I'm just saying, I'm from Vizag. He said, I'm also from Vizag. Just have a selfie.
And I was with my bike and I was saying, oh, enjoy beta. Enjoy.
That was a proud moment, man. actually.
Yeah,
That
yeah, yeah.
But I somehow I steal your.
No, no, bro. I'm just kidding. It's like a kind of enjoyment,
Yeah.
and it was wonderful, wonderful. No
Yeah.
words.
So now you are heading towards Raipur, Orissa, Raipur.
Yeah,
From
Orissa, Raipur. From Raipur, I'll go to Bhubaneswar. From Bhubaneswar, I will straight to
West
Kolkata.
Bengal, West Bengal and Northeast.
Yeah, yeah. From West Bengal only, I will be continuing toward Darjeeling, and from
Okay.
Darjeeling, then I'll enter to Northeast.
Yeah.
Then let's see after Northeast. I don't know where to go, where not to. Yeah, as he has shared, his association's member are having a very good connectivity in Northeast. So let's see.
Let's see what best we can do. We'll do for you.
Yeah, and what best nature will think it's already has designed.
So let's follow the nature. Let's follow our adventure.
Existence.
And moreover, people who are in Vizag, who comes to Vizag,
Yeah.
please take our advantage of our association and give us a chance to host you. It
Yeah.
might not be so big, but we can give you some food, some accommodation. What best we can do, we can always be here with you.
Yeah, if you are coming, don't forget to call this guy also. It's really amazing company. He will give amazing company.
Thank you. This is the adventure.
Yeah,
Okay,
this
we'll
is
meet you soon.
adventure. Bye. Take care.